Busia me see me video bi ene na me kra no me ho adwire me afi na matia say the Dr. Bawumia say oye rich in ideas no ma me kasa nwa ha Ghana nsem TV na busuya yenko tin sama Dr. Bawumia ye papa ni abinyo papa na be busuya yenkombra.
I want to share some data with you to put this in perspective, because sometimes people don't quite get what we are doing. Say, oh, Vice President is launching an app. It's sort of like an app. What has that got to do with the economy? Then you look at a company like Uber, which is an app for ride hailing, right? What is the value of Uber? I checked yesterday the most recent value for Uber, this app. That is $163 billion. $163 billion US dollars. That's the value of Uber. What is Ghana's total GDP, the total value of our economy? Ghana. What is Ghana? $75 billion. The total value of Ghana's economy. 75 billion US dollars. Uber, one company, has a value of $163 billion. Twice the whole of Ghana's economy. From one app, they've built a value of $163 billion. And you still don't, in this fourth industrial revolution, you must understand the link between digitalization and the economy. One app is generating a value of $163 billion. You ask about Microsoft, which just builds apps. Microsoft, the value of Microsoft, as of yesterday, was $3 trillion. One company. $3 trillion. That is 40 times the value of Ghana's economy. One company building apps. Because you are in the fourth industrial revolution. If you don't join it, you are going to be left behind. This is where the world is going. Apple is worth $3.5 trillion, 46 times Ghana's total economy. One company. Because they are building apps that we are all using. Even Airbnb is worth 85 billion US dollars. More than Ghana's economy. From one app. Just one app that they are making the money. So as you enter the fourth industrial revolution, you are either going to be the developers of these apps or the users of these apps. And we have to make that choice. If you want to empower your local economy and be a full participant in the fourth industrial revolution, you have to be developing many of these apps. So today, I'm very proud to be able to have played a part in getting us to this point. But this is the thinking behind Ghana Card, behind mobile money interoperability, digital address, and all of that, Ghana.gov, and all of that we are doing, health and so on, that we are going to have to make sure Ghana is not left behind in this digital revolution that we are seeing. And we need to see more local empowerment in this space.
Charlie. What a brain. No nyansa. Tie awurade na kopon papa we. He Ghana ye hu. Ghana ye hu papa. Hwe idea na etai botaye ni ntia oya ade no. Ti reference a oma wa kire wo de ntia e wo se Ghana e digitalization no e taking it serious. Digital economy e taking it serious, bro. And the app here to see YouTube ya me video ya wo hwe. Unim YouTube, unim asatene, unim ebu ayesom. Unim the world. The can say the words. YouTube is worth more than 1 trillion. Elon Musk to Twitter. I say FNX or 20 saying $44 something billion. So social media crack kena eye we no busa say ne buo no cry saying. It's sometimes when I'm talking about digital economy, people don't understand. But today, after watching this video from Dr. Bawumia, I've come to the realization, say, Masa, Papa ni nyansa. I'm telling you, Papa no nyansa, Papa. Che, nyansa go upon the tremon, any ideas of Papa one, forget it. There is no one in this country. There is no one in this country. Nyansa, Dr. Bawumia one, Owobi. I'm telling you, there is no one, because see, the ideas are panidigu akwemono, the ideas are odigu like odigu formono. Charlie, me I was even surprised. Like I was like, hey Charlie, I'm on for a bion. Me say, I did about cause a man who is on. Because digitalization come on for like digitalization, the economy of the Mami read the ability. Because the digital economy out here say, digital economy is the economic activity that relies on the digital technologies such as the internet, mobile device and data to facilitate transaction and business process. It encompasses a wide range of activities from online shopping and e-commerce to digital banking and the use of AI and blockchain to create new industries. In essence, it is the modernization of economic activities through digital inputs, transforming how businesses operate and consumers engage with goods and services. Key components: digital technologies and infrastructure. These include the fundamental technologies and networks that enable digital economy activities such as internet, telecommunication networks, cloud computing, and the physical devices, computers, smartphones, etc. people use. 2. We have digital service and application. This covers the vast area of the service and application built on digital infrastructure, like e-commerce platform, digital banking, social media, and digital content. We have data and analytics. Data has become a crucial asset in the digital economy. Activities like advanced analytics, AI, and machine learning use data to inform decisions, personalize service, and optimize operation. Digital production and e-commerce. This involves businesses that use electronic process for production and management and engage with customers and partners via the internet. It includes e-retailers and other businesses that receive a majority of their orders digitally. Examples in daily life: purchasing goods and services online, using online banking and payment apps, researching information on internet, using ride sharing apps like Uber and Air, so on and so forth. So that's what we call digital economy. So economy and digitalization, it can boom. What is that? The same thing. So people don't understand when we say digitalization and economy. They'll be like, what has digitalization got to do with economy? Where your friend digital economy? What I say? So you should learn. Right? Dr. Bawumia is the best bet. Vote Dr. Bawumia on the 31st of January 2026. Make him the leader of the New Patriotic Party. Then if I go 2028 January election, could you to me no? If we NDC for name the chairman, I'm on my neck. That's when you have to now show you.